take you or your sacrifice.
What the hell's going on?
You've done your part, Max.
Jacob, what's going on?
Now it's time for me to do mine.
The kill codes don't stop for self-destruct, do they? Do they?
No.
Come on. There must be a way, huh? Come on, it's all my fault. I'm the one who put you up there.
Hey, it's okay. I wanted to go. It was my choice. I'll see you, kiddo.
Transfer complete.
Устал я жить, все обиды тая. Уходи, за собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам.